Matt Johnson. It's time for Nodyn Nia.
Nodyn Nia.
Yeah. Right then. Os dwi'n honest, o'n I dipyn bach yn siomedig. I was a bit disappointed. Not with your Cymraeg, but with your general recognition of vegetables and
I'm just a mere man. Yeah? I'm a man. Any bloke out there is going to understand this. Veg is not our thing.
Sut ma dy wybodaeth di am flodau?
Flowers?
What do you know about flowers?
Are you kidding me? I know that you buy them when you're in trouble for a girl.
Right. Pa flodyn di hwn? What flower is this?
That's a daffodil. I know that one, of course. It's our national flower.
Wrth gwrs.
Daffodil.
So, un ohonyn nhw, one of them, Cenhinen Bedr.
Cenhinen Bedr?
More than one, Cennin Pedr.
Cennin Pedr.
Oh, what's that?
Sunflower.
Da iawn.
I'm good with my flowers.
You are good
Look
with
at that. They go tall, don't they? They go really tall.
Ti'n iawn yn y
Blodyn hael.
hael.
Sunflower.
Yn union.
Direct translation. For a change.
A ti'n gwybod beth dwi'n licio? Mae gan bob blodyn symbol, yeah? It's a symbol for something. So, a blodyn hael is a symbol of teyrngarwch, loyalty.
That's a nice thing.
Yeah.
Okay. And Gymraeg only? And in Wales only? Or is it a symbol everywhere?
Well, yn gyffredinol, generally.
Okay, symbol of loyalty. Yeah. Yeah, I like that one. Blodyn.
That makes you smile, doesn't it?
That does make... It reminds me of you, actually, a sunflower. If you were a flower, you'd be a sunflower.
Ti'n meddwl?
Definitely.
Nesa. Beth ydi hwnna?
Fi'n gas. Fi'n gas? No, fi ddim yn gas. Na.
Mae'n gas da fi.
Mae'n gas da fi. Hay fever.
Oh, yndi?
Dant a llew. Lion. Dandelions.
Ti'n iawn. It comes from the French. Dant de lion.
The teeth of the lion, eh?
Oedde ti'n chwarae'r gêm faint o'r gloch ydi hi? Un o'r gloch. Dau o'r gloch. Tri o'r gloch.
That makes me feel sick.
Yeah?
Yeah, hay fever.
Ti'n tisian?
Yeah. Nesa. I'll start sneezing.
Nesa. Daisies.
Daisies!
Yeah,
I think you lot make change of that, didn't you?
Daisy chain.
You probably still do, actually, didn't you? Llygad y dydd.
Yeah. Dyna sy'n neud. Llygad.
Eyes of the day.
Yeah. Achos, yn y nos, maen nhw'n cau.
No!
Yeah, of course they do. They close at night because they don't need the sun. Dyn nhw ddim angen yr haul.
I don't believe you.
Yn y dydd, maen nhw'n agor.
No.
Nesa, please. Eirlys.
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 That's a name.
Snowdrop. Lily Wen Fach is another word.
Never seen that flower in my life.
You've never seen that flower?
Never, no. Lavant.
Lavant. Dwi'n licio lavant. Please tell me you know what lavant is. No? Have you seen that before? Mae arogl neis. Neis.
Oh, I hate the smell.
Ti'n licio fe?
Lavender.
Yeah.
Na? Hate everything about lavender.
Oh, mae'n neis.
I really do. The colour, remember those sweets when you were a kid?
Oh,
everything about lavender.
Violets, nice.
Disgusting.
No? Oh, lavant. Yeah.